After 30 years on sport, if I know anything for sure, it is that I don't know anything. The more I think I knew, the more I'm clear that I don't know. Because fundamentally, sport for all of us meant excellence. It was personal excellence. It was never about referral excellence. You don't want to be competing against Usain Bolt to run the best 100 meters. I want to be running against myself to be what the best I can be of what the best potential I have. That for me is excellence. It is not about running with a 6'5" guy with big muscles and saying, I will compete against him. If that was the case, then only Western Africans will be winning and running 100 meters, nobody else in the world. Because 1960 onwards, they've been the only ones winning. Eastern Africans in Kenya would be the only ones doing long distance running. There is genes, there's cold adaptation, there's warm, hot adaptation. There's a lot more to sport than what we know about sport. And maybe it's not necessary that we go in this whole rush of trying to be winning medals. But yes, it is important to be the best of what we can be. And in the bargain, if it wins medals, fantastic. A win propels you to see the next vision. And then people who have been lazy become extremely disciplined. There is reasons we don't know. Genes we don't know. What triggers when we don't know. But I think it's very important to not look at talent identification as a word. It is important to look at talent mapping as the word. Believe and trust that everybody is talented. It is our job to find where his talent is. He may not be the world champion in badminton, but yes, he has the potential to be the best of what he can be in whatever field he picks up. Our understanding of sport, our vision for sport, in a lot of ways is driven by something else. It's time to introspect. It is time to look at what our ideals and goals are, collectively how things are. If we want to become Olympic champions in 100 meters, maybe in our country not many people will run because the musculature, the body frame doesn't fit it. But does it mean that none of us try to be best? No, we have to be. But we have to be the best of what we can be. We don't have to be the best of what world thinks is the best. So you won't have doping, you won't have hazard other kinds of cheatings happening. We just put our heart together and say, today is what this is, and tomorrow I'll be the best of what I can be. And whatever is needed on the other side, I'll do it. Whether it's good food, good rest, and good thinking, I will do it. But it is not about referral. It is about our own self. The story is here. It's not on the other side. It is not competition. It is excellence. Then you won't think of pushing the other guy to the side. You will say, come along, because it doesn't matter to you.